Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Straight Outta Content, and today isn't your normal video. Actually, I'm having some bad news. My daughter has COVID, and we think the rest of the house actually has COVID as well. I tested negative, but on Friday or Saturday, the rest of the family and I, me, Donovan's Domain, and Shelly, Flash Custom Designs, we're gonna go get retested. We're having symptoms, so everybody's healthy. Well, healthy, but everybody's okay. But in these down times, it's kind of hard to get content because we are quarantining here at the house. We're not driving too many places. If we absolutely have to go somewhere, we will mask up and stuff like that. Like I said, right now, I tested negative the day my daughter tested positive, but we're just taking precautions, and we're gonna get retested again in a few days to see if either any of the members in the house have it. So again, hopefully if you've been through this, hopefully you've gone through this, to anybody out there who might have lost somebody, my condolences from the Flash Custom Designs and Straight Outta Content family goes out to you and your family. And again, just wish our family well wishes. With that being said, I don't really have much to record. As you see, the wind is kind of crazy out here. I don't really have much to record because I can't really leave. But what I'm gonna do for you guys today is just record me cleaning my car. The outside of my Kia is extremely dirty. I haven't cleaned it in weeks. So I'm just gonna do a quick video of me recording my car, probably fast forward through a lot of stuff. And you can just enjoy some car washing. And then I'm also gonna do a video of me detailing the inside of my car, very in depth. I've let my car get dirty for about 2 months now. My wife is very mad at me. She hates that the Kia is so dirty because we like to take that car because it's a little bigger than the Corolla. But I'm gonna definitely do an in-depth, step-by-step detail of how to DIY clean your interior of your car, kind of like I did the engine video of her Toyota. So make sure you guys go check that out. Check out all my other content. I am officially monetized, so again, every time you guys hit that like button, it really does help the algorithm make the video pop. So we appreciate everybody out there who has watched all the videos, and just continue to stay tuned. We're going through this COVID thing, the whole country is. So again, hopefully you guys are safe, and I'm gonna go ahead and wash my car, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Hey guys, so here's a quick tip if you're doing a DIY car wash at home. As you see here, I have this like pesticide that we use on our lawn. So I use this whenever spraying my lawn. I don't have to do it now in the winter, but everybody knows if you live in Texas, fire ants are a really big issue, as well as a lot of other bugs, and the kids like to play in the backyard. But once you're all done with this, it's not like that you can refill it with pesticide stuff. I guess you could, but in this case, I'm actually going to mix my car soap. I'm going to mix my car soap in here, pour some in here, and then spray my car down with this, kind of like those like fancy other nozzles where it comes with like the soap down here. This basically mechanically works the same way. So it's just a DIY trick. If you have it at home, make sure you wash it out. You don't want to get any residue from this on your car, but I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out in my sink in my house with just a little dish soap, and then rinse all that out, and then come out here and put the car soap and spray it on my car and get all these suds on there, then scrub it down with my sponge, and then that should definitely get this car very clean. All right guys, let's go ahead and do that next. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to rinse off the car, and then I'm going to use just this little soft bristle brush to kind of break up some of the dirt. If you look over there in that corner, there's like tar and stuff like that. So you can just use this, it's very soft. I'm not gonna scratch my car. Just use this just to break up the dirt. And then I'm gonna use this, which is now filled up with soap. No, there is not pesticide in this, it's just soap. So I'm gonna use this to spray the soap onto the car, and then agitate it some more, and then rinse it off, or probably rub it with the sponge. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I don't know if the camera can actually show the detail, but the car looks so much cleaner. Again, this right here is that's just part of the bumper. That's not dirt. I have some scratches there. You know, I've had this car for a few years. It's had its ups and downs. Got the bumper right there that I need to just replace, or not replace. I'm actually going to repair the bumper. I know how to plastic repair, so that's a video I plan on doing. Everything that you see wrong, quote unquote wrong with the car, is really content from me. So I'm going to use that to fix it and show you guys how to do things from home. So with that being said, stuff like the front bumper or down there, I'm going to show you guys how to do that, how to remove your front bumper. Same thing like I did with the side mirror. Make sure you guys go subscribe, straight out of content on YouTube. And you see the wheels, they're getting kind of ashy, so I'm definitely gonna put some tire shine, but the car is so much cleaner. I could go over it with another round of soap, but you know, I just wanted to just make a quick video of how to clean your car at home. There we go, straight out of content again. And you know, just a little quick DIY project. I used the pesticide lawn care that kills bugs. I used that bottle and it worked really well. It worked no different than your $20 bottle on Amazon. If you go on Amazon and buy that same bottle where you can put soap in it, it worked exactly the same. Maybe not as high pressure, but again, I'm not trying to detail my car. I'm just trying to make it look cleaner. And it does. It looks a lot cleaner and I'm very happy with the results. I have a towel here. So now I'm gonna go over and dry it all off, and then it'll look a lot better than it does now with all the watermarks and stuff like that. We can get those off, but next is gonna be my wife's car. She wants me to do that, so stay tuned for that video. But yeah, again, I'm making this content in this video because we potentially could have COVID in the house. Like I stated earlier, my daughter has it, but we want to show you guys that you can continue to make content. Hey guys, I'm back. Actually, I couldn't end the video without showing you guys the tire shine that I use exclusively for my wheels. If you check out the old video, you will see that I did a review on this tire shine coverall. This stuff is amazing. So this is what I'm going to finish my car off by spraying each wheel with this coverall tire shine to bring the car to life. Because right now those tires are looking mighty ashy. So let's go ahead and brighten those up. Remember, you don't want any ash. You do not want to be ashy Larry with your rims and with your tires. Okay guys, look at the wheels. Look at the wheels. They're so much more shiny. They look so much better. It's hard with the lighting out today, but the car looks so much cleaner. It's got that drip. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get this video to 100 likes. You guys know I like to keep everything clean. These wheels look so much better. Totally change your car. So again guys, thank you for tuning into this video. It's just a quick little video how to clean your car at home. Some things that I do to keep my car clean and it looks 10 times better. All right guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Make sure you guys go to Flash Custom Designs to purchase all of Big B TV's merchandise, guys. It's amazing. Hands down the best YouTuber merch. Hands down, because it doesn't scream YouTuber. It doesn't scream YouTuber. His merch screams designer, classy, drip, modern. You know what I mean? With the B and then Big B TV. So this way, you're not like, oh, I'm wearing a YouTuber. You're like, hey, I'm wearing a new line of clothing and that is Big B TV, brought to you by Flash Custom Designs. We make it. We're very proud of what we do and the products that we make. So make sure you guys go to Flash Custom Designs and check that merch out. Also check out the Straight Outta Content merch. This isn't really up there, but this is just something that I'm working on, false line. But again, we're just trying to make content for you guys to continue to grow the channel. Please be safe out there. I'm gonna go ahead and drive off the car, but just wanted to make this quick video. You guys know my slogan. Please be safe, be basic. Peace.